Ever wondered why a martini never comes in a beer mug? Or why mojitos are always in those tall glasses? It's not just for style, it's science and a whole lot of tradition. Today, I'm breaking down 12 types of cocktail glasses every bartender or cocktail lover needs to know. Let's jump in. First up, the classic V-shaped martini glass. This one's for your martinis, cosmos, and gimlets. The wide rim releases all those amazing aromas, but don't get too wild. One wrong tilt and you'll be cleaning up a spill. Next, the rocks glass. Short, wide, and sturdy, just like the drinks you build in it. Perfect for whiskey-based classics like the old-fashioned, or a Negroni. That thick base? It's built for muddling and stirring with confidence. Moving on to the highball glass. Tall and chill, it's your go-to for mixed drinks with soda or juice. Think mojitos, gin and tonics, screwdrivers. It's all about lots of ice and even more refreshment. Don't sleep on the wine glass. Not just for wine, cocktails like sangria, Aperol Spritz, and Winetails love this glass. The bowl lets everything breathe and you look extra fancy while sipping. Next, the Coupe glass. Vintage vibes for days. It's round, elegant, and perfect for daiquiris, sidecars, and Manhattans. Basically, the martini glass's classier cousin. Ready for bubbles? Grab a champagne flute. Tall, slim, and all about keeping that fizz alive. Perfect for mimosas, bellinis, or anything that sparkles. Prosecco's best friend right here. Let's get tropical with the hurricane glass. This curvy beauty is made for big, fruity, beachy cocktails like pina coladas and mai tais. Bonus points for tiki umbrellas. Now the Snifter. Think brandy or strong aromatic cocktails. The wide bowl and narrow top help you catch every bit of aroma. So go ahead, give it a swirl and channel your inner fancy pants. Beer cocktails? That's pint glass territory. Micheladas, shandies, you name it. Simple, solid, and downs the hatch. Let's talk Collins glass. Similar to the highball but even taller and slimmer. This is where Tom Collins and Long Island iced teas call home. For the classy crowd, there's Nick and Nora. Smaller than a coupe, just big enough to keep your drink cool. Old school classics get a fresh twist right here. And finally, the shot glass, small but mighty. Shooters, shots, or that friend who says, "I'll just have one drink." We all know how that ends. So next time you mix a drink, remember the glass isn't just a vessel, it's part of the experience. Flavor, aroma, vibe, it all changes with the glass you choose. Which glass is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bartending tips, cocktail tricks, and behind the bar secrets. Cheers to better cocktails.